So ladies, what a disaster I've had today. I'm having to camp here outside this motorbike shop because I've wrecked my motorbike. Well, at least I've wrecked the front wheel anyway. So I've got a camp here tonight. Catch a bus to the next city. That's it. Oh my god. So as you see, wrecked. The back one, they reckon they can repair this one. Or at least have a go. Yeah. Hopefully these guys will be able to help me out in the next couple of days. Lucky I've got my camping equipment with me, eh? Because as you can see, just at the side of the road in some Aniquet's about 200 kilometers that way. Paksay is 100 kilometers that way. This isn't a city, this is just a village. And as you can see, there's nothing really here at all. There's no shop, no nothing. So don't know where I'm going to go to get some water or to get a drink. I mean, there's some lights up there, so once I've finished organising my camping spot, I'm going to maybe take a walk up there and see if I can get a drink. Oh man, what a nightmare. Absolute nightmare. At least it'll be peaceful camp, well, relatively peaceful. I will have the ching 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 of the cows over yonder. Hopefully the smoke and fire don't get too close. Other disasters, getting the camping equipment out of the bags off the bike. I didn't think they were touching the exhaust at a point where it was going to get hot, but yeah, it's melted through the bag. I'm hoping it's just charred the air mattress, because otherwise I'm going to have a really bad night's sleep. If that goes down, I'm literally going to be sleeping on the floor for one night is not going to kill me. I realise that, but it's just been one disaster after another. So and the other thing is the stand as well. I can't even leave the motorbike anywhere because the stand's busted. So if I don't sort that out, every time I stop, I'm gonna have to, well, I just can't stop because I've got to hold the motorbike upright. It's fallen over twice today. I didn't realise how. Either that Lazada stand is a piece of shit and it's just broken on its own, or when I hit the pothole, maybe it slammed the underneath. I don't think it slammed the underneath of the motorbike, so I can't see how that. Well, no, actually, it fell over before. So the stands, I just thought it was uneven ground, that I was finding all the time, which you do at the side of these roads. If you pull up the side of the road to have a wee or something, or to grab a drink, the road and pavement aren't level, so you've got to be so careful. And I've had that problem before in Laos and thought it was just the same, but today I realised that the stand's busted. So I'm not having a good day. I was hoping to make it back to Paksay today, but it's not going to happen. What a nightmare.